Welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you through step-by-step on how to download Electrum Wallet app in this tutorial. Launch the Play Store first. Type Electrum Wallet app into the upper search bar. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Then let it download. But before you do, make sure your internet connection is strong. Tap on Open once the installation is completed. You can start a new account by following the instructions or log in using the email address and password you used to register. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.